Hey, this is going to be a tutorial on how to put your calendar on a website page or put your calendar on a funnel page so that you can start to see more analytics and get a better understanding of whether or not your social media content is attracting potential clients. Okay, so when you log into Coach Grow Solutions, on the left hand side, you're going to go ahead and click on Sites. When you click on Sites, that'll bring you to this page here. And we're going to go ahead and click new funnel up here in the top right hand corner. And we're going to do this from blank. So I'm just going to put in here one-on-one discovery call calendar. So we can name this. And we're going to click create. And this is creating a funnel for us. Okay, so here is our funnel. It is blank. On the left-hand side, we're going to click add a new step. And in this step, we're going to name this book we're going to name this calendar page, just so that we know it's the calendar page. Okay, so I'm going to click create a funnel step because that first step into having someone turn into a paying client is to have them book a discovery call. So that's why that is my first step of this funnel, is to have this calendar on a page. So I'm going to click create from blank, because now we're going to go into designing the page. And we're going to click wide width and drag it over here. And I'm going to click add a row. And it's just going to be one column. Then I'm going to click add an element. And I'm going to type up here calendar. And you see calendar pops up. And then when I click it, it's going to ask me to select my calendar. So I'm going to hit the drop down and I'm going to click on 15-minute rooted session, because that's what I call my discovery call calendar. And there, my calendar has populated. And I'm going to hit save. Now, you could just stop here, and that is totally fine. But if you want to add a little bit of flavor to this, you're welcome to add a video of yourself. If you want to add like a talking video, you would just scroll down to this orange plus button and hit that plus button. And in this search box, you'll just put video and you'll click video. And when you click on this video, you'll see over here to the right for video type. If it's a YouTube video, you can put the YouTube video URL in there. If it's a video that you want to upload from your computer, you can click hosted video, and that will allow you to select a video, the actual video file. If you could actually record a video on your phone horizontal and then email that to yourself, or if you have an iPhone and a MacBook, you can airdrop it to yourself and you'll have the file on your computer. You can hit select video and that will actually pull up like your file, your file thing on your computer, and you can click upload file right here. I'm just going to click backwards, right? And the video will show up there. If you want to make a cute thumbnail for it, you can. You just go into Canva and make a thumbnail, and you can put that in there. But if I wanted to do the video, I'd hit save. And I would actually move this video to up top, especially if it's like a video of me talking like, hey, welcome to my calendar. If you are this type of person, I can help you do this, this, and this. So I'm going to click on this video, and I'm actually going to put this up arrow. That just moves the video to the top above my calendar. And so you can have it that way, stacked that way. Now I'm going to hit save one more time, because that flashing yellow dot you just saw means that I hadn't saved yet. And I'm going to hit publish. And when I hit publish, it's going to ask me to select my domain. So I'm just going to select my website and I'm going to hit save. And that is now published. So I'm going to go backwards. And there is my discovery call calendar on a page with the video at the top. Okay. So now what this does for me is if I want to see the statistics of how many people are going to book a call, like going to my actual book a call page, but they're not booking a call, I can go to the stats here. And this will start to tell me. So when someone goes to my page, it'll count in the page views. And then I could see uniquely how many individuals went to my page views. And then I could see in the opt-ins how many people booked a call. So this is going to help you if you're trying to figure out why aren't people booking calls. But if you can see, oh, 10 people went to the book a call page and nobody booked a call, then that means that something may be off with your messaging. Versus if it's like nobody went to the page and nobody booked a call, then it's like, oh, I need to talk about the calls more often so that more people can go book a call. Or maybe I need to talk about the calls in a more interesting way so that people book the call. Okay. So this is going to start to give you statistics on that. All right. If you've already set up your calendar, you're one step ahead. You can go ahead and do what I just did. But this is going to help solve that. Wondering what happened to some of us. Okay. I'm actually going to go ahead and pop this out and go to view this page so that you guys can see it count. Okay, so this is my video, my page. I didn't upload anything, so this video is obviously empty. Here is my calendar, so someone can actually go and book a calendar. It shows them my next available opening. Okay, so they can go and book. So now I've actually viewed this page. Let's exit out of this page. Let's go back and click on stats, and let's hit a refresh here. Loading, loading, loading. The system said, girl, you are doing too much today. It says I'm doing too much. All right, hold on, hold on. Here we go. I'm tired too, system. So there I am. There's that one page view that we just looked at together and one unique because it was just me. All right. So that's how you see your stats for your discovery call calendar. See you in the next video.